Welcome to Otter HB. Thanks for joining us today. Today, Janine and I are down in San Clemente. We're here to take a hike / walk. We're out enjoying ourselves, so please come along and join us. Let me take 1 sec though and ask you, please, if you haven't already subscribed to Otter HB, please subscribe to Otter HB. It really does help the channel and helps me out, so please do it. Give me a like, and if you feel like it, give me a comment. I really enjoy reading the comments. Thanks guys, let's go for a hike.
Let's go.
So welcome to our hike. It starts here at Canyon View Park. It really seems like a kind of a nice walk. Janine found it. It's right off the freeway and seems to kind of take it right along the coast. So
okay, so you know I like a hike that starts with a bathroom. So when you pull in the park, there's a bathroom right here, and it's Memorial Day and there's great parking, so I can't imagine it gets very busy. Let's go. Okay, so we're heading down the lane on Sea Summit. It's a nice sidewalk. I can already feel the ocean breezes. It's amazing how close you are to the ocean. The houses are stunning, so kind of fun.
It's a gorgeous day. Right now we're just walking on a sidewalk, so
yeah.
It might be a walk, it might be a hike, we will see.
It might be a little bit in between. Well, no matter what, we have to come back up this hill again, so we'll call that the hike part.
No matter what it is, it's a great day.
We're outside and we're doing, and it looks like I see more parking over here too, so. When I looked online, it said that it was built in 2012, so everything is just really nice and new.
I was reading something, it shows like this whole area started getting developed back in 1974. In the last 40 years they've done housing, but it looks like they've done a pretty good job at doing parks and showing everything.
Here's the Vista del Sol Park.
That's how we found it, Vista del Sol. We keep looking and pointing at directions going, I want to go that way and go over there, and I'm all like, I want to go that way. And if you look at the map, none of it makes any sense. Janine says that sounds really negative. She's all like, I don't think it's the map, I think it might be us.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're just picking a trail and we're just gonna start walking, and we will see what we find. Here we go, we found a trail. Let's take it, see where we end up. Very well maintained.
I will say it's really clean and really pretty.
Yeah. Oh, and there's some stairs, Dave. We're gonna make your day. I know you love stairs. But they do have handicap accessible trails. Part of this is handicap accessible. Beautiful.
Here is one of the really neat parts as you drive up and down these coasts and you take different walks and do different things. You always get different views of areas you've never seen. I've never done this walk and the views are different.
Walk. Anita does this walk. This is her play, remember?
Yeah.
This is down there. Ahead is the San Clemente Pier. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna hopefully end up there later on today. The waves are pretty big today. Don't they, babe?
It's just awesome always seeing a little bit different view. And
yeah, I love hitting somewhere we've never seen before. After living in Orange County all these years, and I grew up going to the beach in San Clemente, but this wasn't here then, so this is fun for me.
And welcome to the Pacific Ocean.
Oh,
never disappoints.
Even today looks so different. Dave, I want you to be careful up ahead, Dave, or talking to myself, because there are stairs, but they're a little camouflaged. Yeah. That was cool. We got to see the train going by, which is on Otter HB's list of things to do.
That is definitely on our list of hit the train, go down to San Diego, or just hit the train and go somewhere.
San Juan Capistrano, somewhere. We're on it.
Keep your eyes out for that one. How are those stairs?
Okay, are you ready? This is Dave's fun part, the stairs. Here we go. We are not counting today. We're just enjoying the moment. We're going down to go up. Are we having fun yet?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
That's always a good thing. Get that heart rate up, get it flowing a little bit. That's what you're out doing.
Lovely breeze today.
Too bad you guys can't feel that breeze and smell that salt air. It's awesome.
Good for the soul.
Yeah.
San Clemente is such a great old school town. We call it the sleepy town. This is fun for me to see. I have a dear friend that owns one of these houses down here with some friends, and she's taught me if you're lucky enough to live by the ocean, you're lucky enough. And
cool thing is, I think this is taking us to another park, and this will be like the third park on this walk. So if you're looking for a kind of a cool little walk with kids, this is it. 3 parks, an ocean, bathrooms, little hidden gem.
And look at the view. It's like out of a movie.
I wouldn't look too much right now.
I'm not. I'm big my head. You know me. Boom, 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 boom. One step.
Up the canyon, our little bridge, kind of cool. Now we're just looking for the coyotes. You know they're here somewhere. So park number 3 on our walk, this one's called Pico Park. We definitely have dogs, which is great. Basketball court, grass, children's playground. Nice clean bathroom. So that's park number 3 on this walk. It's just an amazing walk. Let's go. Time to explore more. Outdoors. Always be on the lookout for walks around you. This is just a little hidden gem walk that Janine found kind of this morning, I think.
I did this morning.
Welcome to going on YouTube and looking for walks. You either find me or you find someone else.
What is awesome about this walk right now, it's a Sunday afternoon and we pretty much have the trail to ourselves. So I don't know if everyone's coming out later or what. Aren't you a little surprised?
It is. A lot of times you hit the most popular trails and there's just gobs of people out taking hikes, which is great. The more people out walking and hiking, the better off. But when you find these little gems, you just start getting trails all to yourself. And that's fun.
Yeah, uphill a little bit here.
If you want a good view, walk up a hill. When we get to the top, I'll show you the view.
Woo! These are mine for my little legs.
I know. Top of the steps. Upstairs, yay!
Feel my legs a little, that's good. Best Stairmaster there is outside.
It is.
Now we go this way. When you say a 2-mile walk, it sounds so easy, and it is. But the stairs add a little fun to it.
Stairs and up and down.
Yeah, and yeah, exactly.
I will say the one nice thing about this walk is that it exists. And what I mean by that is welcome to a neighborhood and a community, but somebody had enough sense to go, hey, let's also make a nice white walk out of this area. And some of it goes through neighborhoods, some's on trail, but it exists, and that's the biggie. So it's kind of interesting as far as this walk goes. It takes a lot of different sceneries and turns and different...
Turns, yeah. It'll be fun if this goes all the way back to where we started.
Yeah, just different views. I mean, you're on paths with flowers and benches where you were dirt and stairs and ocean. So we were kind of looking, going, where does it take us now? And I think we have to go up this street, then it looks like it's going to take us over that bridge and put us over on the other side. So here we go, coming up on this bridge. I will say, as we're taking the walk down that way and looking up, I go, the bridge looked pretty cool.
Yep, so now we get to go across it. Wow, it's high up, more high up than I thought. Oh, there's that one.
But it's funny, if you want to go to the park where we actually went, you just go right there and you're parked. Instead, we'll go down.
We're going to do this way, right? Yeah.
Yeah, then it comes up and takes you back around.
It'll go up and about, absolutely.
Pretty cool view of the bridge there. Just looks neat.
If you haven't subscribed and liked yet, make sure you subscribe and give us that like. Otter HB appreciates it.
It supports the channel, so it's awesome. Here's kind of a good look at the view though. If you look, we were walking right along the beach down there. And now you take and get to where we are now. It's a nice walk.
Great walk. Or a hike, whichever one you want to call it. We are okay with either.
Welcome to...
I'm just glad I went on YouTube this morning. Yeah, so this is the way we could have started.
Janine was all like, I'm glad I went on YouTube this morning. Always be glad you went on YouTube, because if you're on YouTube, you might be watching us. Welcome to Otter HB.
And you get ideas of fun stuff that you weren't thinking about doing, but you're like, hey, let's go try it. I'm glad we did today. Okay, so we're done with our first part of the day. Great hike slash walk.
3 miles, uphill, downhill. Let's go get some lunch and look at a pier.
Go check out some more sites in San Clemente. Okay, kind of a steep little trail.
So here we go. Janine and I found a place to park the truck, and it was all like, yeah, let's just walk down here to the beach and see if we can walk to the pier that way. So it's going to be interesting, but look how steep it is.
I don't think you can really feel how steep it is, but it's not stairs, it's a slope. And woo, you can just roll down this. Train. Oh, there's the pier.
There's the pier we've seen from a different angle.
Yeah. This wasn't here years ago.
That's pretty cool. There's a walkway all the way down there. This wasn't here years ago.
No. What's amazing is how different the beach is. There used to be surf.
Check it out. Surf fishing. This might be a good spot for it. Maybe one day I'll come here and do it.
Oh yeah, for fishing?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fishing right now.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So here's kind of the second part of our walk. I don't know that this part was even planned.
This was not planned. Sometimes just happy accidents.
Which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I've never taken this walk either, and down along to the pier is pretty cool.
Okay, come on.
So taking a walk straight across the pier, it's all like, okay, we need food. Then we've seen a pizzeria, Costantino's Pizza. Janine's seen that and went, we're having pizza for lunch. Let me go show you. Place looks awesome. Pizza, beer, nice place to sit, watch the world go by. Come in and check it out. Costantino's Pizza. The people are awesome. The service is great. You got to come in. Thanks, guys. And then check out our view.
Is it, I don't know.
You got 2 pieces. How's that?
Okay, well, I want to introduce you to my friend. What was your name?
My name's Albert.
Albert loves it here. Tell us what you think, Albert.
Best place for pizza and beer with a gorgeous view every day.
Thank you.
Out on a motorcycle ride. How's that for a day?
Yeah, it's a great
Beautiful. All the way down PCH.
Oh, what a day. Okay, so check it out. Pizza, pepperoni, cheese.
Here we go. Looks good. It's hot.
What a view. Pizza and beer right here. Just can't beat that.
And people watching. There's lots of people watching.
Go figure, the world's just going by.
I'll try to make this a little interesting.
Can't even imagine. Nice. Hi.
Hey, thanks for watching us today on Otter HB. It's been fun. What a great day. The walk was 3 miles, great lunch, met some fun people, and
San Clemente is beautiful. Come see it if you haven't seen it yet.
It didn't disappoint.
No, it's great.
Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Later.